Okay, welcome back, people. Now, it's very important, very important to know why people lose money, because you're getting into the market, and if you're losing money, you got to know why is that happening in the first place. One, and if you have not got in the market and this is your first time, you got to know what can go wrong, right? And why people consistently end up losing money instead of consistently making money. You know, we all get into a business to make money, but there are people who kind of consistently lose money as well. Now let us kind of understand why that is. And here in this section, people, I want you to participate with me, which means I would like you to kind of comment and make notes and participate. So if you're willing to kind of participate and ready there to participate, type in the comment. Ready to participate. Type in the comment. Ready to participate, or RTP. Thank you. Awesome. Now the question is, do people really lose money in the markets? And the statistics says this. I know it's a disturbing statistics, but this is what it is. 95% of the people lose money in the markets. And that's kind of very shocking. And while 95% of the people lose money in the market, people are still getting into the market. And why do they do that? Because there is something where there is a huge opportunity to make money as well. But now let us understand, I kind of gave you a brief about ways of making money, and we'll go very deep in those things and you learn all the means of making money. But you also have to be aware of where things can go wrong. So where do people lose money in the markets and how do they lose money? Let's kind of understand. Now the first question is, why? Why do people lose money in stock markets? Before I kind of really discuss this, I would really want you to participate. Take a minute, pause this video for a minute, and type in your comments. Go to the comment section and what do you think why people lose money? Just pause for a minute, and I'm really serious, just pause this video for a minute and go and comment, and then type in, what do you think? What do you think people, are the reasons why people lose money in the market? Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye.